Good morning, everyone. Luke here at Pine Acres RV in Moncton, taking a look at what just came in. 2018 Forest River Rockwood Signature Ultralight. This is a 8301WS. This is a family unit with bunks in the back and a second bathroom. Awesome. All right, Rockwood, I have to say, I'm impressed with your build quality. I've seen a couple of Rockwoods before, and I'm impressed. It's built like a Cougar, Keystone Cougar. I love it. All right, what are we looking at? Frameless windows, outside speakers, power awning with LED lights. Check out this outside kitchen. It is fairly clean. Keep in mind, we have not cleaned this unit yet ourselves. We will certainly get to it. We got stabilizer jacks in the back.
Power stabilizer jacks.
It is prepped for a backup camera. You can see that it is a little dirty here in the back. Look at that. So this is a door for the second bathroom for the kids, just next to the bunk room. That's pretty cool. Storage underneath the U-shaped dinette. Check out the build quality. Aluminum and plywood. Love it. This unit does weigh just under 10,000 pounds. I'll put the weight in the description below. All right, the outside looks great. Let's go take a look inside. All right. Walk it into the Rockwood. Let me close this door. There we go. Look at the size of that TV. Fireplace. This couch does turn into a bed. There's that huge slide. What's this? Ah, I like you guys, previous owners. All right, U-shaped dinette. That turns into a bed. It's got a freestanding table that can be removed and put outside. Love that window up on the door side. Major extension here for your countertops. This fridge is bigger than most. And I don't know if I told you this or not, but we have not cleaned this yet. So I'm gonna say, I'm impressed with the cleanliness. Nice. We'll get even cleaner. Okay, Bunk House. Check this out. So there's one bunk. Let me show you bunk number 2. Ta-da! I just pull one pin and it opens right up. Great space there for your kids. No, I'm not done yet here. Across the ways, a TV, window. What's behind this door? Okay, their very own bathroom. That is a ceramic toilet. There's that door for the outside. You do have a medicine cabinet, fan, and some more storage. Awesome. Okay, let's go out front. They want to show you the extension for the kitchen counters. Of course, there's an oven. Okay, that definitely looks like it's never been used. 3-burner stove, microwave, nice ceiling fan, a vent up top. Look at that TV, that's ginormous. All right, we got the stereo. Okay, your controls. Let's go to the master bedroom. Here we go. Nice. Underneath the bed, there is a surprise. All right, so we got a little bit of an extension there for outside, and there's an outside barbecue. Take a look at the construction here. Aluminum, plywood. Oh, I love that. All right, and this mattress seems to be really decent. Topper. We got a charging center, plugs. Of course, that's a great spot for a CPAP machine if you need to use one. Now we got a wardrobe slide over here. Lots of storage. There is your closet. Okay. And right there. So, we're in the bathroom. Let's take a look. Ceramic toilet. We got a fantastic fan right there. Medicine cabinet, storage. Take a look inside the shower with skylight. And fairly clean. Doesn't need to be touched up, and we will get to it. Oh, this is a pleasant surprise. Look how deep that storage is. All right, done for here for now. If you like what you see, folks, come on down to, oh, I love these people. Come on down to 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. Up here in Canada. Hope to see you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.